Hey garden friends, welcome back to Decoded Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the Soil Doctor, and today I'm unlocking the secret to bountiful peppers. Yes, even if you've struggled with tiny fruit or leaf drop. Let's get right into it. If you want peppers that just don't quit, you have to start with what peppers crave most: warm, rich soil, regular watering, and a strong root system. But here's what most folks miss. A simple step right at planting that can change everything. Every single time I plant a pepper, whether it's in a big fancy pot or just in the ground, I prep the planting hole with 3 powerhouse ingredients: compost, crushed eggshells, and a little bit of Epsom salt. Here's the exact mix. I scoop in a handful of compost for that slow-release nutrition and a boost of microbial life. Then, 1 tablespoon of crushed eggshells. This is pure calcium, which stops blossom end rot before it starts. Finally, half a tablespoon of Epsom salt, loaded with magnesium for greener leaves and bigger fruit. Mix those right into the bottom of your hole or pot before you drop in your transplant. That's the magic combo. Now why does this work? Those ingredients feed your pepper's roots the minute they hit the soil. Stronger roots mean more flowers, and more flowers mean more peppers. Magnesium fires up the plant's photosynthesis, so you get lush, healthy growth, and way fewer yellow leaves or sad, stunted fruit. And here's the best part. This works whether you're planting in containers, raised beds, or right in the ground. Bonus tip: when you plant, go just a little deeper than the root ball. Peppers will actually sprout roots along the buried stem, giving you a sturdier, more productive plant. Top it off with a light mulch layer. Straw or shredded leaves work great. This keeps moisture in, roots cool, and blocks soil splash that can spread disease. One last thing: water wisely. Let the top inch of soil dry out between waterings. Too much or too little causes stress, so keep it consistent. So there you have it. No fancy fertilizers needed, just some smart soil prep. Feed your roots, pamper your peppers, and watch them thrive. If this helped you out, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more down-to-earth growing tips. I'm the Soil Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one.